problem is that we will find the greatest common divisor using Dijkstra's algorithm and using recursion how to solve the problem. Okay, so we have solved using a while loop. If you watch my while loop video, you'll understand that. But it is now we are going to solve using what a recursion. So what is the first question I'll ask? What is my base component? What is my recursive component? Okay, that's the first question you need to ask yourself. This is a base component, and then what a recursive component. Okay, so let us understand first is what is Dijkstra's algorithm, what should be the base component, what should be the recursive component. Yeah, so what is the Dijkstra's problem? Okay, so if you want to find the GCD of two numbers, I need to have a two numbers. Then I take this number 125 and 175. What is the GCD? I need to find out. What the algorithm says? Subtract the smaller one from the larger one and store the result in the larger. 175 minus 125, how much it is what? 50. 125 minus 50, how much it is what? 70. Okay. Subtract the smaller from the larger, store the result in the larger. 75 minus 50, how much it is what? 25. 50 minus 25 is what? 25. If both are equal, that is a GCD. The GCD for 125 and 175 is what? 25. If both are equal, that is a GCD. That means when I need to return a direct value, if both are equal, what I need to return? Any one of them. Otherwise, what? What I need to do? The GCD of 125 in 175 is same as GCD of 125 and 50. The GCD of 125 and 175 is same as what? The GCD of 125 and 50. The GCD of 125 and 50 is what? Same as the GCD of 75 and what? 50. The GCD of 75 and 50 is same as the GCD of 25 and 50. The GCD of 25 and 50 is what? Is actually speaking 25 and 50 same as what? 25 and what? 25, right? Therefore, in this case, what I'm going to do? If I call the function GCD of 125 and 175, what is it? GCD of 125 and 175 is same as GCD of 125 and what? 50. See, writing a solution to a problem using the problem itself, but not with the same input but with a different input. What is GCD of 125 and 50 is same as GCD of 75 and what? 50. Correct? But when both are equal, that you need to return a direct value. Correct? No? Yeah. So let's write a code. Okay. If both are equal, what I should do? Return x. If not, there's a base component. What we said was the GCD of 175, 125 and 175 is same as GCD of 125 and 50. Therefore, I'm going to say if x is greater than y, because we said subtract the smaller from the larger, store it in the larger, right? X is equal to x minus y, right? Else y is equal to y minus x. Then I need to the GCD of, if I give you 175 and 125 and 175, 125 is greater than 175 false. Therefore, my y became 50, right? This is not enough. You need to say what? GCD of 125 and 175 is same as the GCD of this. Therefore, I will write integer result is equal to, see, it's not inside the else, it's outside. Result is equal to, what I should write? GCD of the new x and y. See, don't tell me that I pass the same parameter. No, I modified these parameters here and return the result. Correct? If integer x is equal to 175, y is equal to 125, something right. Integer z is equal to, what I should write? GCD of x comma y print percentage d comma 1c. Got it? Yeah. So first is you need to understand the problem, identify what is the base component, what is the recursive component, make a recursive statement. What is a recursive statement? Write a solution to a problem using the problem itself, but not with the same input, but with a different input. Okay.